Hey, hello guys. Hope you are doing good, and you all know that this is the day 10 of arithmetic progression. We'll start. Chalo, we'll start GP as it is the last day for arithmetic progression. Okay, so as given GP series, right? So we are going to write the series 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 so on comma 128. So T1 is equal to A is equal to 2, and we need to find out CR, that is common ratio. T2 by T1 is equal to 2 root 2 by 2. Okay, so we'll get common ratio is equal to root 2. Done. And what we need to find the term of 128, that is which term is 128, whether it's fifth term, sixth term, or etc. So Tn is equal to n is equal to question mark. Okay, formula Tn is equal to ar power n minus 1, and Tn is 128, that is last term. A is 2, r is root 2, okay, whole power n minus 1, and 128 by 2, right? 2 ones are 264s are. Here root 2 can be written as 2 whole power 1 by 2 into n minus 1, and 64 can be written as 2 power 6. Here 2 power n minus 1 by 2. As bases are equal, exponents must be equal, right? So we are going to write the same thing. As bases are equal, exponents must be equal. Exponents must be equal, that is 6 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. By cross multiplying we'll get 12, right? And minus 1 will become plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 13. That's it. So 13th term is 128. You can write that in the conclusion. 13th term is 128, that is T13 is equal to 128. That's all. Hope you got it. Please note it down. And next one, see, you need to write the GP series as usual, 2 comma 8 comma 32 so on comma 512, that is 512. Here you can write down for identifying T1, T2, T3 so on Tn, and you need to find which term it is. Okay, and T1 is equal to A is equal to 2, and we need to find out CR, that is common ratio. T2 by T1 is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4, right? So R is equal to 4. And what you need to find? You need to find the term of 512, that is Tn. In Tn you need to find n. So using the formula Tn is equal to ar power n minus 1. So 512 is equal to 2 into 4 into n minus 1. So we'll get this, right? 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 2 5s 10, 2 6 12. 256 is 4 power 4. Done. So now as bases are equal, powers must be, that is exponents must be equal. Okay, so 4 is equal to n minus 1, so we'll get n is equal to 5. That's it. You can write the conclusion. Fifth term of GP series is 512, that is T5 is equal to 512. That's all. So note it down clearly. If any doubts, you can surely ask me in the comment box. Next one, you need to find the 20th and nth terms. So given GP series 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 so on. So you can mention T1, T2, T3 so on. Here A is equal to 5 by 2, and CR is equal to T2 by T1, that is 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. We'll get 1 by 2, right? by dividing. Done. And what you need to find it out? You need to find it out T20 and Tn. So using the formula Tn is equal to ar power n minus 1. Done. So here T2 is equal to a is 5 by 2, r is 1 by 2, whole power n is 20, right? 20 minus 1. So we'll get 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 19. So you need to take the exponent for both numerator and denominator. We'll get this. So in the denominator you can see as the bases are equal, exponents must be added. So 2 power 20. Done. Now Tn. A is 5 by 2, r is 1 by 2, whole power n minus 1. So taking the exponent for both numerator and denominator, we'll get 5 by 2 into 1 n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1. So we'll get 1. 1 power anything is 1, right? So for denominator we'll get n minus 1 plus 1. That is 2 power n minus 1 plus 1, it got cancelled. That's it. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can check my exponents and powers video for the basic information about this powers and exponents. Okay, you can write the final conclusion. That is values of T20 and Tn are 5 by 2 power 20 and 5 by 2 power n. That's all. And we'll go for the other one. So what they have given third term, that is T3 is equal to AR power 2 is equal to 24, T6 is equal to AR power 5, that is 192. And what we need to find 10th term. So here you can keep it as 1 and 2 equations, and you need to find T10, that is equal to question mark AR power 9. And now solving 2 and 1. So in GP you are going to divide the terms. So in AP we have subtracted, and in GP we are going to divide. So we'll get 192 by 24. So A cancel and RR gets cancelled, and we'll get R cube is equal to 8. Now we'll get R cube is equal to 2 cube and R is equal to 2. As the exponents are equal, bases must be equal. Now we are going to substitute R is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay, substituting R is equal to 2 in equation 1, then we'll get A into 2 power 2 is equal to 24. That is A is equal to 24 by 4. So A is equal to 6, right? Now we got A and R values. Now we can find it out T10 value, that is AR power 9. So A is 6, R is 2 power 9. 6 can be written as 3 2s are, right? So 2 power 10 into 3 is 3072. Now you can write the conclusion. Value of the 10th term of GP series is 3072. That's all. If you have any doubts on this question, you can ask me in the comment box. And now you can do practice problems at home. Find 10th and nth terms of GP, 5, 25, 125, so on. Okay, same as first one. Next, which term of GP 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 is 1 by 2187. Next, which term of GP root 3, 3, 3 root 3, so on is 729. That's all. Now signing off, yours K. Shivani. Dil se dear maths. That is Shivani's world. Please do subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Please do subscribe and like my channel.